Hey everyone, welcome to another Cute Art School video. Today we are going to be making Anya from Spy Family. So grab your supplies and let's get started. So starting from the top, you want to make a slightly curved line and you want to make it just about this big. And then you want to do the same thing on the other side, giving about this much amount of room. And then again, we're going to make a slightly curved line about the same size. Now going in between the two lines, you want to make a triangle. So this will be the start of her bangs. And then right next to that, we're going to make another triangle, but a little bit smaller than the first one we drew. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. And then we're going to go ahead and make another tiny triangle and connect it to the curved line we drew. And then you want to just repeat the same thing on the other side. So again, we're going to draw more triangles until we get to the curved line. Now, starting from the middle of where we drew the first curved line, we are going to now work on her hair. So what you want to do is make a curved line and stopping it right about there. Now from there, you want to extend the curved line and make it a triangle and connect it back to the hair. So then we're going to do the same thing on the other side, make sure that it matches. And then we're going to make a curved line going all the way down, curling it out, and then connecting it back up. So now, starting from the top where we first drew the curved line, we're going to make a point right about there. And then from there, we're going to go down at an angle and we're going to curve out just like that. Then we are going to extend that line out and move it slightly past the hair we just drew and make little triangles and connect it to the hair. So now we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. So again, we're going to make another diagonal line that curves out. We are going to continue to extend the line and make a curve that goes outward. And then we're going to do the same thing and then connect it back to the hair. And now to just finish off Anya's hair, we are just going to make a slightly curved line to connect the two lines we drew for the hair. Now for the side of her head, all we're going to do is make a little triangle. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. Now inside the triangle, what you want to do is make a slightly curved line. And then from there, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So on top of the line, we're going to make these circular little squiggles that go from one end to the other. And we're just going to do the same for each triangle. Now going back to the bottom of her hair, we're going to make a diagonal line that goes to right about here. It should match up to that triangle part in the middle. And then we're going to go right back up and connect it to the other line. So now that we have her head, we're going to move on to the eyes. So what you want to do is make a curved line just about this big. And then you want to go ahead and make a similar line on the bottom. So you're going to make another curved line and stopping right about there. So don't mind me, I'm just extending it out a little bit longer. So now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So now that we have the foundation of the eye set up, we're going to make the eyebrows, which are just two little curved lines. Now off the edge of the lines we drew, we're going to make a curved line connecting them, and then we're going to do the same on the other side. And then we are going to repeat the process on the other eye. Now we are going to go ahead and add details to the eyes. So what you want to do is make a curved line and stopping right about in the middle. We're going to draw an oval. And then we're going to finish that off with another curved line. And just like that eye, we're going to do the same to the other eye. And then from there, I wanted to add little blushing cheeks. So instead of circles this time, we're just going to draw 3 diagonal lines under the eye. So we're going to do it to that eye, and then we're going to do it to the other eye. And then we're going to make her mouth. So what you want to do is just make a super curved line in the middle of her eyes. So now we're going to move on to her body. So what you want to do is make a curved line a little bit below her head. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And this will be where the foundation of her body will start. And then we're going to just make 2 diagonal lines from her head going down, but we're not going to fully connect it to the curved lines we just drew. Now to make her neck, what you want to do is make a curved line that connects to the 2 diagonal lines we just made. And then we're going to start making her ribbon. So we're going to make a tiny little circle under her neck. And then we're going to make a long oval connecting to the little circle we made. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then starting from the little circle we drew, we are going to make a squiggly line going all the way down and following it right back up. And then we're going to repeat this process again, but on the opposite side. Now to finish off her body, what you want to do is make two little tiny diagonal lines, and then we're going to extend it all the way out, and then we're going to curve it inward, making an up and down motion to make kind of like a squiggly line, and then connecting it together. And this will be the baseline of her dress. Now to add details to the dress, what you want to do is make diagonal lines going towards the ribbon we made. From there, now we're going to work on her legs. So what you want to do is make a curved line and stopping right about there. And then we're going to go ahead and make another curved line, and we're going to curve it inward. And then starting from the bottom of her dress, we're going to go down again to make another curved line, and then we're going to finish off her leg with another curved line and connecting it to the bottom. So then you want to repeat the same thing again on the other side, but then this time when you hit the bottom, you want to curve the last line more inward towards her other foot. So now that we have her legs done, we're going to work on her shoes. So what you want to do is make a rectangle inside of her feet, just like this. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now slightly above the rectangles we drew, we're going to make another line on both legs. And then from there, we're going to again make a squiggly motion of different circles on these lines. Now starting from the corners of her feet, you want to make an oval shape that goes outward, and then we're going to connect it back in, and these will be her shoes. And then we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. So now that we have her body made, we are going to move on to her arms. Now starting from that little diagonal line we made earlier, what you want to do is make like a soft little, not so hard edged triangle. And then we're just going to do the same on the other side. So you want to make little triangles for her sleeves. Also, side note here, but comment below and tell me who's your favorite character on Spy Family. I really like to hear what you guys have to say. Now we are going to create her arms. So what you want to do, starting from the middle of her sleeves, you want to make a slightly curved line going out. And then from here, you're going to extend the line a little bit out more and then curve it up, stopping right about there. And then we're going to go back down and make a tinier curved line, and then we're going to follow it right back up to the sleeve. And now all that's left to do is repeat the process for the other arm. So again, a long curved line out, a smaller curved line inward, and then we're going to make a tinier curved line again, and we're going to follow it right back up to the arm. And that completes our drawing of Anya. I hope you guys had fun drawing with me. I had so much fun drawing with you guys. And if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.